Hello everyone. Today we will study about articles. We all have studied about articles early also. So today we will revise and understand more about them. As we all know, a, an, and the are the three articles that we use before noun and noun phrases. But we don't know about the types of article. Yes, there are two types of articles, indefinite and definite. Indefinite articles that indicates any person, animal or thing in a general way. The is a definite article that indicates a particular person, animal, or thing. So, now that we have recalled the articles and its type, let's understand that where do we use a and an. We use a when the word begins with consonant. For example, a woman, a picture, a needle, etc. Now, we also use a when the letter starts with u, is pronounced as yu, and o is pronounced as wa. Example, a uniform, a one-eyed man, a unit, a one-side road. Got it? Now, next, we use an when the word begins with the vowel sound. Example, an apple, an orange, an ice cream. We also use an when the word begins with a silent H. An honest man, an honor, and R. Now let's understand the uses of the. We use the when we talk about a particular thing or a person. My father met the principal today. Here, principal is the particular person that we are talking about. We also use the with a noun that represents the entire group. Example, the dog is a faithful animal. Here, the is used for dog as we are talking about the entire community of dogs. We also use the when the names of holy books, newspaper, magazine, ocean, sea, river, gulf, bays, desert, mountain, ranges, sun, moon, sky, and planets. This the is also used with a superlative degree of adjective and before or ordinal number adjective. This is this is the best place I have seen. Monday is first day of the week. I hope we are now clear with what articles are. What are the types and where do we use these articles? Now let's understand that where we don't use articles. Now the Now, omission of the articles where we don't use it. The name of towns, name of person, name of mountain peaks, name of street, days of the week, month of the year, and material and abstract noun. First of all, we'll see name of a town like Mumbai, Agra. Now, next is countries. We don't say the India, we write only India. India, Pakistan, Nepal, and so on. Now, person, even we use Mahatma Gandhi, so we don't say a Mahatma Gandhi or the Mahatma. Of that, we use only Mahatma Gandhi, Akbar, Nehru, Ravindranath Tagore. Now, peaks of the mountains. Now, peaks, that is Mount Everest, Mount Abu, like this way. Now, street also we can use it. Now, days of the week, Monday, Sunday, Wednesday. We don't use any article in front of this days, even in the front of name of the year. Now, material like gold, silver, cotton, silk, wool. Next, abstract noun. Abstract noun used in a generally sense, that is, health is better than wealth. Wisdom is preferable to riches. Got it, beta? Now, good. Now, next, particular and keeps learning new things every day. Thank you. See you soon.